Vignette is used to give a dramatic look to your image. Many artists use this effect on their art as it gives an organic look to the image. To add the vignette effect in Unity, go to the post-process volume, add effect, then add the vignette effect. The vignette effect has several properties that affects it. The vignette effect has two modes, classic and masked. When choosing masked, a texture slot appears waiting for a white and black mask to read the vignette values from. When choosing classic, few more options will appear to set a custom vignette effect. Color, set the color of the vignette. Center, set the vignette center point. Intensity, set the amount of vignette on screen. Use smoothness to smooth the vignette effect borders. Roundness, set the value to round the vignette. Lower values will make a more squared vignette. Rounded, enable this checkbox to make the vignette perfectly rounded. Play with the values until you found a result that you are happy with. Now this is it for this lecture. See you in the next one.